There are a lot of things wrong with healthcare, but one of the greatest things is lack of competition among providers. If you're a company and you're buying a new computer system, new office furniture, or even hiring employees, you will usually talk to 2 or 3 or 4 different potential providers and then make a decision. That's not how we buy healthcare. Sure, we might shop around 2 or 3 insurance companies, but after we select an insurance company, the insurance company buys medical care on a fixed price basis, which is not very market oriented. With the fixed pricing in PPO networks, what we see is a large variation in cost with no transparency. That variation can sometimes be 1,000%. On MediBid, when you need medical care, you go online and the search engine will tell you how much your health plan reimburses for the procedure that you need. Then you can make a medical request and it gets sent out to doctors in 10 countries, thousands of providers, and they will look at your files and they will come back to you with a competitive bid for your medical care.
And then you guys started researching that and looking on your network of available surgeons and hospitals, and we found out there was quite a few different hospitals and surgeons that would do it at a reasonable price, or the price that our self-insured policy would have paid for. I think the lowest one was Las Vegas, and I believe that one was like $6,500 or $7,000. The one that was also found is in Phoenix, and he seemed to have been doing that surgery for a long time. He practiced out a couple different hospitals and different surgical centers and doctors' offices and that kind of stuff. So, and that's why I decided to go the one in Phoenix. The total price was, I believe it was like $9,500, or it was a little over $9,000, which fit right in with our guidelines of what the company was willing to pay for that procedure.
Then fast forward 3 days and still feeling cheated, I was brainstorming and I Googled cash surgeries. Amazingly, thank goodness to Google, I was led to a website called MediBid. I followed the simple directions and filled out a profile stating what type of surgery that I needed, along with some necessary background and medical history information. And then I paid a $25 fee to start the process. A couple days later, I received 2 bids for my surgery, both from the Houston area, and both in the neighborhood of $15,000.
At least 5 to 7 right away, said the price, what they would offer, and it was quick response. Knew the numbers, knew the dates, like that.